Hello student, let's try to understand a problem. Radioactive decay follows first order kinetic. The order is what is there? First order student. This reaction is going to be first order reaction. The initial amount of two radioactive substance X, Y are 1 gram. So that is what the X is there also 1 gram and Y is there also. This is going to be 1 gram each. What will be the ratio of X and Y after 2 days? So 2 days means how many hours student? 48 hours. 48 hours. This is how much student? 48 hours. Okay, 48 hours means what student? This is going to be 2 days. 2 days. This is the now student. If you see if the half life is how much? 12 hours. So T half they have given T half they have given how much? T1 by 2 is equal to they have given student 12 hours. Okay, so let us have a look over how many T half it is going to be. So T1 by 2 is equal to how much student? That is 12 hours. Okay, therefore 1 T half is equal to 1 T half is equal to 12 hours. Got it student? Means 12 hours is equal to 12 hours is equal to 1 T1 by 2. So how many hours student? How many hours we are having? So total hours is 40 hours. Therefore 48 hours is equal to how many hours? 48 hours is equal to. So 48 by 12 divided by T1 by 2. So it will be how much student? 4 T half. It will come 4 T half. So it is equal to how much student? 4 T1 by 2. Now the second one is student. Let us have a look over for Y. For Y. Okay. This was the for X student. So for Y, T1 by 2 is equal to how many hours student? 16 hours. 16 hours. So right, 1 T half is equal to 16 hours. 16 hours is equal to, you can write T1 by 2. Total hours they have given 48 hours. Therefore in 48 hours is equal to 48 divided by 16 into T1 by 2. So how much? 3 into T1 by 2. This is the first and this is going to be second. Now here how many? 3T1 by 2. Keep in mind. Dear student, one thing you keep in mind. So X is equal to 4T1 by 2 is there and Y is equal to, it is there 3T1 by 2. Total amount is there how many gram student? 1 gram is there. And the initial amount, this is the how many gram student? This is 1 gram there. So here you see first T half student, this is the first T1 by 2. So first T1 by 2 means it will left with 1 by 2 gram. And the same one, first T1 by 2, it will be how much student? 1 by 2 gram. They are talking about the what will be the remaining after 2 days. Okay, after what will be the ratio of X and Y after 2 days. So now total 4 T half is there. Now you go for the second T1 by 2. So it will be half of the 1 by 2. Half of 1 by 2 means what student? 1 by 4. And it will be the second T1 by 2. If you are going, it will be the what? 1 by 4. Now third T half. Third T1 by 2. How much? 1 by, it will be 8. Every time you are dividing by 2. So here is the how much it will be there? Third T1 by 2. It will be how much? 1 by 8. Now this is the final one. This is the, because total T half is there how much? 3 T half. But this is having 4 T half. So one time more it will go. So fourth T1 by 2. How much will come student? 1 by 16th. Now the X is equal to 1 by 16 and Y is equal to 1 by 8. This is the going to be left. So ratio of X and Y, ratio of what? X to Y. So what is there equal student? 1 by 16 divided by 1 by how much? 8. 1 by 8. So if you are going reciprocate it, so it will come 8 by 16. 8 by 16 is equal to 1 by 2. So x to y ratio, it is going to give 1 by 2. Dear students, see here the answer. For the first order reaction, x is equal to 12 hours. Second day, 48 hours means 4 half life. Amount x left 1 by 16 of initial. Half life of y 16 hours. So that is 1 by 8 of initial value. So ratio of x and y is going to be 1:2. So this is very simple, student, if you try to solve. Thank you very much for watching.